Ever stepped into a car and felt like you were in a spaceship? Like the vehicle was reading your mind or predicting your next move? Cars these days aren't just machines. They're turning into smart, responsive companions. And the technology inside some of them is so advanced, it almost doesn't feel real. But here's the twist. These aren't concepts or prototypes anymore. They're features that are already in actual cars people are driving. Today, we're counting down 10 car features that feel like they're from the future. These aren't your usual cup holders and sunroofs. We're talking about innovations that'll make you say, wait, that's real? 10. Augmented reality windshields, Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Let's start with something that feels straight out of science fiction, augmented reality windshields. In the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class, this feature turns your regular windshield into a digital command center. Navigation arrows float above the road. Warnings about upcoming turns or hazards appear right in your line of sight. It even highlights pedestrians before you spot them yourself. You don't need to glance down at a screen. Everything shows up where you need it. It's like having a co-pilot built into the glass. Not only does it look amazing, but it also keeps you focused and safer while driving. 9. Biometric access, Genesis GV70. Unlocking your phone with your fingerprint or face is something we barely think about anymore. It's just part of daily life. Now imagine that same smooth, secure experience in your car. That's exactly what the Genesis GV70 is offering. This SUV comes with a built-in fingerprint scanner right on the start-stop button. You don't need a physical key to unlock the doors or start the engine. Just press your finger and the car recognizes you instantly. But it doesn't stop there. The GV70 takes it a step further by letting you save personal driver profiles based on your fingerprint. So the moment you scan in, it automatically adjusts the seat position, mirrors, climate control, and even your radio presets to match your preferences. It's like the car knows it's you and sets everything up before you even sit down. This isn't just a cool gimmick. It's a feature that makes driving feel more secure, more personalized, and a lot more convenient. Plus, it's a strong hint that traditional car keys could become a thing of the past. With tech like this, the future of driving is already at your fingertips, literally. 8. Tesla's full self-driving, FSD Beta. Say what you want about Tesla, but when it comes to pushing boundaries, they don't hold back. Their full self-driving beta takes autonomous driving to a new level. The car doesn't just stay in lanes or follow traffic. It can make complex turns, respond to stop signs, and even navigate city streets. You still need to keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, but the car is basically acting like a cautious, highly alert co-driver. Watching it in action feels almost unreal, especially when it smoothly handles a left turn across traffic without any input from the driver. 7. BMW's gesture control. BMW 7 Series. No buttons, no voice commands. Just wave your hand and the car listens. In the BMW 7 Series, gesture control lets you do things like change the volume, accept or reject calls, and skip tracks just by moving your hand in front of the screen. It's like the car reads your body language. You don't need to touch anything. This kind of interaction is what we usually associate with futuristic movies, but it's real and already in the wild. It might feel a bit strange at first, but once you get used to it, reaching for buttons starts to feel old-fashioned. 6. Intelligent interior lighting, Mercedes-Benz EQS. The Mercedes-Benz EQS isn't just an electric luxury car, it's an experience. One of its standout features is the intelligent ambient lighting system. It doesn't just change colors for fun, it responds to your actions. Open a door and the lights brighten. Get a call and the light pulses. Adjust the temperature and the lighting changes color to match. It's subtle, but makes the cabin feel alive. This isn't just about looking cool. It adds mood, feedback, and personality to the interior. It feels like the car is aware of what's happening and reacting in real time. 5. AI co-pilot, Honda's Honda Sensing Elite. Honda's Sensing Elite system is more than just adaptive cruise control. It uses artificial intelligence to assess the driver's condition, road surroundings, and even suggests rest breaks if it senses fatigue. In the Honda Legend, available in Japan, the car can even handle hands-free driving on highways. It blends radar, cameras, and mapping data with predictive AI to make smart choices. The system is so advanced, it was officially certified for Level 3 autonomy in Japan. That means the car can take over in specific conditions without the driver needing to monitor constantly. 4. Transparent hood. Land Rover Defender. Off-road driving is already tough, but Land Rover made it easier with something incredible: a transparent hood. In the new Defender, there's a feature that uses front-facing cameras to create a live image of what's directly beneath the vehicle and displays it on the screen. It's like you can see through the hood to the rocks and terrain below. This is especially helpful for tricky trails and obstacles where the driver would normally have no visibility. It's not just a gimmick, it gives you control and confidence when driving through wild terrain. 3. Digital key with sharing Hyundai and Kia. Hyundai and Kia are bringing serious flexibility with their digital key feature. Instead of a traditional key fob, you can use your smartphone to unlock and start the car. But it gets better. You can actually send digital keys to someone else's phone, set time limits, and even control access. Imagine lending your car to a friend without needing to physically meet them. Just send the key over text. This system works via NFC and Bluetooth, and it's available in cars like the Hyundai Sonata and Kia Niro. It's super convenient and just makes sense in today's connected world. 2. Tesla's Sentry Mode and Dog Mode. Tesla doesn't just innovate in driving, they think of everything. Sentry Mode is like a built-in security guard. When your Tesla is parked, it uses the car's external cameras to monitor the surroundings. If someone gets too close or tries to break in, it records the event and sends an alert to your phone. But here's the best part, there's also Dog Mode. If you leave your pet in the car, Dog Mode keeps the cabin at a comfortable temperature and displays a message on the screen so people walking by know your dog is safe. It even shows the current interior temperature. It's thoughtful, practical, and way ahead of anything most car brands are doing. 1. Hyperscreen, Mercedes-Benz EQS. Taking the #1 spot is a feature that truly looks like it belongs in the future. The Hyperscreen in the Mercedes-Benz EQS. This is more than just a dashboard. It's a massive 56-inch piece of curved glass that stretches from the driver's side to the passenger side. Under that glass are 3 separate displays, one for the driver, one central screen, and even a dedicated screen for the passenger. It uses artificial intelligence to adapt what it shows based on your habits. If you usually call someone at a certain time or use navigation at specific hours, it'll automatically suggest those functions. The system is fast, beautiful, and feels alive. It's like the car knows you and wants to help before you even ask. The way technology is evolving, it's clear that the future isn't waiting. It's already rolling down the road. These features aren't dreams or distant possibilities. They're in real cars that people are driving, parking, and showing off right now. Whether it's a transparent hood that shows you the rocks beneath your tires, or an AI that tells you when to take a break, these innovations are reshaping what it means to drive. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content about the coolest things happening in tech, cars, and beyond, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who still thinks cruise control is cutting edge, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on what's next. We've got a lot more coming your way. See you in the next one.